Got a gaming PC sitting around? What if I told you it could make you money while you sleep? Vast AI lets you rent out your GPU to people running AI models. Let's see if it's actually worth it. Vast AI is a marketplace, two sides. One side rents GPUs cheap, the other side makes money hosting them. You can be either one. Most people know it for cheap rentals, but the host side is where things get interesting for making passive income. If you have a decent GPU, you can list it on Vast. People rent it by the hour. You set your price, Vast handles everything else. Simple. Here's the real talk. 3060 with 12 gigs of memory can earn around $300 to $400 per month. A 3090 or 4090 even more. Some hosts report $500 to $600 monthly. One guy tested a 3060 rig for 30 days, made $508 in rental fees. After Vast takes their 25% cut, he kept $385 minus $12 in electricity. That's $372 profit for 1 month. Compare that to crypto mining. Same GPU makes maybe 5 cents per day mining. That's $150 per month. Vast pays for 2 to 4 times more than mining right now. Nothing's perfect. Your earnings depend on demand. If tons of hosts join, prices drop. That's been happening lately. Supply and demand. Your rig needs to stay online. Any downtime hurts your reliability score. Lower score means fewer rentals. Also, you need a decent internet connection. Upload speeds matter. Security is another thing. People are using your hardware remotely. Vast uses containers to isolate them, but you're still opening your system to strangers. Memory is king. AI needs lots of it. A 3060 with 12 gigs beats a 3070 with 8 gigs. Even though the 3070 is faster. Most popular, the 3090 and 4090. They have 24 gigs of memory, perfect for AI training. They rent constantly. If you already own a gaming rig, yes, absolutely turn your hobby into income, offset your hardware costs. Buying hardware just to host, harder call. You need to calculate return on investment. A 3090 costs around $1,000 used. At $300 per month profit, that's 4 months to break even. Not bad, but risky if demand drops. Bottom line, Vast AI hosting works. It pays way better than crypto mining, but it's not passive like mining was. You need uptime and good internet. Best for people with existing hardware looking to make extra cash. Links below, try it out, comment what GPU you have, and I'll see you later.